The one design flaw that made me close my laptop and walk away, and nearly quit before I even started looking for the best home business training like the Home Business Academy for Beginners. It's the same flaw backed into almost every platform out there. And nobody over 60 is talking about it because they think the problem is with them. The hidden flaw is pacing. Most trainings dump hours of fast moving tech tutorials on you with zero breathing room. So you feel fall behind by modular 2 and blame yourself instead of the course design, which means you never get to the part where you're actually starting to earn money. What actually worked for beginners over 60 is a done for you system that removes the tech setup entirely. So you skip the overwhelm and go straight to generating income instead of watching another training video at midnight. For someone wanting to take the leap into the work from home arena but feeling skeptical, this was built for you. Never have I seen an easier way to start generating real residual income because the system does the selling. It answers questions around the clock so you don't have to. If you're serious about building a residual income without drowning in tech tutorial, go to growonlinefreedom.com. You keep 80% of what comes in, and a done for you sales system handles the selling for you. Links in the description below.